Hi and welcome to my video. I'm going to be starting a line of clay tutorial, and on my first video we're going to be making one of these, which, as you can see, is a little puppy dog, and he has one of these. I don't use eye pins, I use circle wire. So this puppy, I'll show you how to make one. That's going to be darker. So what you're going to need, you're going to need a big ball of whatever clay you're going to be using, a ball that's slightly smaller, 6 balls of the same size, and 1 ball that is a little smaller. Then of a different color, you can use black or white, or whichever color you want. You need 2 for the eyes, and 1 for the nose. And then also, I didn't put stuff in it, you're going to need 1 piece smaller than this, but bigger than this, out of whatever color you want the spot on his eye to be. So, I'm going to use red, and the spot is right there. So we're going to start. And we're going to start by taking a small ball, putting it down. We're going to start with the body. Believe it or not, the body is smaller than the head. I know that it is weird. That's weird. You just do that. And then the head, just do the same thing with the head. So that it looks like that. And then what you're going to do, since you're starting with the body, it's just going to look like that. It's going to look much better when we're finished. Okay, so we're going to start with the hands. Hands and legs are the easiest part on the body. And you're going to make it, you're going to make it smaller on one end. And you just put it in the back, whichever side is your back, and bring it around to the front. So that. It looks like that. Okay? And do that with another one. Try to make it the same. Just do that. Put it around the back and bring it forward. And so it's going to look like that at the beginning. Okay? And then you're going to do the legs. Or the feet, I should say. And make it the same shape as the balloons, and just put it on the bottom. Now it is unmuted right now because we don't have the other leg on. So let's just put that on, and it should work out very well. So I'm just putting the other leg on, just like that. And then when you sit up, when he sits down, you should be just perfectly fine. Okay? So then we're going to start off with the head. So we have the head, you want to take the body and take the body away. Okay? And so then we're going to take the head and we're going to add the eyes. Now before we add the eyes, we need to add spots that the eye is going to go onto. So we just take the ball with that color and smush it where the eye is going to go. Okay. I know it looks weird so far, but it will look much better when we're done. And we take one of the smaller silver, black, or white dots, whatever you're using for the eye. Just put it on, and then do that with the other one, but there won't be any spots. Okay. You have the eyes done, and then you want to add the snout. The snout you're going to use the smallest size of the body color ball. And you just want to roll it onto a cylinder and smush it down on each side. Roll it onto a cylinder and smush it down. And then we're going to put it right where the nose should be. And then we put the silver color nose on. And it should cover the whole thing. So then we want to add the ears, which we use the other two balls. We roll it out, and I won't blend them out. After you roll one out, you want to roll both of them out so that you can know if they're even or not. You want to make sure they're about the same. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to smush it down. Just like that. And then you can pick it up and you put it on top of their head. And you can curve it a little. I actually put it in the back a little. So that it looks like that. And then just do the same thing with the other one. And just put it on. You can even make them stick out like that, but I want to do that because it's very unstable. They could easily come off. I know it kind of looks like a glue right now, but... And then you put the head on the body. Okay. And then you see how it can easily come off? Well, not now, but you can easily come off. So we're going to score it. You may have learned about this in class, you may not have. All you do is go up and score it, and then I'm going to show you. You just go crisscross with a sharp tool or like a knife, or you can use a fork if easier. Diagonally, go every which way. That is scoring. Okay? And you did that with the top of the body, then you're going to do it to the bottom of the head. And this makes it stick. And you want to wet it a little bit. I do have a little bit of water back here. Just dipping on it. And then get the stuff wet. Put it on. And then that is when you want to smooth it out. You don't want to smooth the front because the front will be mushed up if you do. So then you're just going to take it and you're going to smooth it out. I have this tool, which I use to smooth things out. It's the opposite side of my knife. That's my knife. And so I just smooth it out in the back. I know it's disgusting, but you can, if you go with easier, go to on nails, unless you don't grab your nails. Use that and you want to switch the back of it, and then you want to move it out in the front. And you can actually use just like that. So there you have puppy. Now you see that it's not finished yet. And I show my other dog. I forgot to add the tail, so we're going to add the tail now. Take what color you're using, it doesn't matter. Dark brown, so whatever color, and roll it out. It's a nice long piece. But you don't want to zip it too thin, so I'm just gonna make it out thicker. Now that's about the right thickness. I'm gonna cut off the edges, and then it's just gonna pop it onto the back. to make it go up. The puppy's tails are always up. It looks like that. Okay. And so you have puppy without tail now. I don't know how well that is. Okay. So now you need to add the wires. If you use eye pins, then just cut the bottom of the eye pin so that's a little taller than the puppy or whatever you're making, and then bend the end at an angle, 45 degrees, and then put it in. So since I'm using a wire, I don't want to use too much. So that's that. Okay. That's how much wire I'm going to be using. So I take my wire cutters and I cut some wire on it. I have my wire. Now I'm going to fold it in half. I use these types of pliers. Okay. And I hold the wire right at the top. And then I twist it. Okay. And so now I have, I'll hold it from the bottom to the side. I have my wire. And I choose the top of it. Okay, it's almost like an iPad. I just twisted it up. So then, you take your puppy, or, well, in this case it's a puppy, and you stick the wire into the head. And then fix her up a little bit, or him, whatever it is. And that is a bad example of a dog. But this is a good puppy. Puppy. I did not add tail to the dog, so I don't know if you can really call him a dog. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you, and please comment and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed it. So, thank you YouTube and all the people watching.